The Big Brother 27 house just wrapped up one of the most intense power of veto ceremonies of the season, and it's safe to say that Week 7 has completely shifted the trajectory of the game. As alliances crumble and secret deals are exposed, the aftermath of this veto decision could reshape the house's balance of power going into next week. The head of household had a clear target in mind, but after the veto competition and subsequent ceremony, nothing is certain anymore. This week's events have turned into a whirlwind of strategy, betrayal, and bold moves that have the fandom buzzing non-stop. After the nominations were set earlier in the week, tensions were already high. The host shocked many by targeting players that were once considered allies, setting the stage for fireworks inside the house. But as every Big Brother fan knows, the power of veto has the ability to flip the script entirely, and that's exactly what happened this week. The veto competition saw some fierce competition, with multiple house guests giving everything they had to secure safety. The stakes were sky high since many believed that the HOH's plan could backfire if the wrong person won. After an intense battle filled with endurance, strategy, and pure determination, one house guest managed to pull off the win that everyone was talking about. Once the winner of the power of veto was revealed, whispers and strategy talks immediately flooded the house. Players who were previously comfortable began scrambling to secure their safety, while others tried to influence the veto decision behind closed doors. Deals were made, promises exchanged, and secret alliances tested. By the time the ceremony rolled around, it was clear that emotions were running higher than ever. At the veto ceremony, all eyes were on the winner as they made their move. The decision sent shockwaves through the Big Brother 27 house, confirming that the dynamics were officially changing. While some house guests celebrated in relief, others were visibly shaken by what just happened. The player on the block who thought they were doomed got an unexpected lifeline, while another found themselves blindsided when the replacement nominee was revealed. The move made by the veto winner is already being called one of the boldest of the season. It exposed hidden loyalties and forced certain players to show their cards earlier than they wanted to. The HOH's original plan has now taken a dramatic turn, with their game potentially in jeopardy depending on how the house votes this week. The newly nominated house guests didn't take the news well, and their reaction was one for the books. Tension filled the room as confrontations erupted right after the ceremony, leaving both the HO and the veto holders scrambling to do damage control. The once solid alliances began to crack under pressure, as players started questioning who they could really trust moving forward. This week's Power of Veto ceremony isn't just another typical moment, it's a defining point in Big Brother 27's narrative. Fans on social media are already calling it the game changer of the season, with many debating whether the move was brilliant strategy or reckless gameplay. The move has also put several house guests' jury chances in serious jeopardy, depending on how the eviction vote falls. With the eviction ceremony just days away, every conversation and alliance will be critical. Some players are already strategizing for damage control, while others are plotting revenge. The lines between allies and enemies have blurred beyond recognition, and even the strongest duos in the house are starting to show cracks. If there's one thing Big Brother fans know for sure, it's that no one is ever truly safe, and Week 7 is the perfect example of that chaos. The veto ceremony results not only shifted the power dynamics but may have also sealed the fate of some of the game's biggest personalities. The decision will likely have ripple effects going into Week 8, influencing the next HO competition and future nominations. The upcoming eviction promises to be one of the most unpredictable yet, as the votes appear to be splitting right down the middle. Expect some last-minute campaigning, emotional plays, and maybe even a shocking flip before eviction night. One thing's certain, after this week, the game will never be the same. Week 7's Power of Veto ceremony has solidified itself as a turning point in Big Brother 27, where the strong might fall and the underdogs could finally rise. Fans can't wait to see how the rest of this explosive week unfolds, and whether this daring move will go down as a legendary play or a colossal mistake that sends someone packing. Stay tuned, because in the Big Brother house, the unexpected is the only guarantee. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond Big Brother YouTube channel for more update news.